Y'all know y'all could be recording or thinking you recording and not recording. That was me again. Sometimes you just need a little fun in the sun to make your day go by. A little smoother and a little better.
Can I do one of these?
I don't care.
Give me.
Put the paper in the trash bag
Why
behind
do you get
me.
into all of them?
So this is us outside, you guys. Got our little bubbles. I got my cup of ice water. Got the little soccer net. They hoverboards. The little Irish twins. How does it feel to be out, y'all?
Hot. It don't got no pants. It don't got no pants.
I ain't got on no pants. I got shorts on.
Mama.
This girl say I ain't got on no pants, y'all. I guess because they rising up. Avery, you having fun? I didn't comb no heads to come outside, y'all. It is what it is. We just enjoying the moment, you know? This is what you call enjoying the moment. I have my book that my sister got me for Mother's Day. It's okay. It says, today I affirm a journal that nurtures self-care by Alexandra Eli. Self-care teaches me that I can pour into myself just so much as I pour into others. So yeah, I will be writing this. I gave you a glimpse of the pages, but I also got to keep my eyes out on the kids too, y'all. don't want that cookie. You don't want that cookie. Oh, you don't want, give it here. I always find a reason to smile. If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. Add life to your days, not days to your life. Make each day your masterpiece. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. Be silly, be honest, be kind. Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open. Count your age by friends, not years. Count your life by smiles, not tears. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. It's a good day to have a good day. Got that quote in the bathroom. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Don't wait for your perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. There is always, always, always something to be thankful for. A true artist is not one who's inspired, but one who inspires others. Be happy in the moment, that's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed doors that we do not see the ones which has been opened for us. Savor the moments that are warm and special and giggly. Let us come alive to the splendor that is all around us and see the beauty in ordinary things. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. One way to get the most out of life is to look upon it as a gift. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. If you see someone without a smile, give them yours. Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. No one ever injured their eyesight by looking on the brightest side. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything. Start your day with a smile. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. I don't know. When you're focused on the good gets better. When you love and laugh abundantly, you live a beautiful life. Go play. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. A smile is a curve that is everything, that sets everything straight. I like that.
ride the hoverboard. And this is me who's recording.
I think it was.
Oh, yeah, one did.
This wind feels so good, y'all. My glasses got a smear in it. Feels
I've never
so
been
free.
out here for this minute.
So peaceful. Like everything that was weighing down on me earlier, I just let go and let God, you know. I have my shirt on. Are you done yet? Are you done yet means what I was saying was I've always been asked, are you done yet? Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Are you getting your tubes tied? Are you this? Are you that? Whenever it comes down to me and my pregnancies. So this is the saying of my family that shows a quote that I have put within. Y'all know y'all could be recording or thinking you recording and not record. That was me again. However, I don't know where I left off, but are you done yet? Are you getting your tubes tied? Or you done having kids or whatever? However, so I use that saying for motivation. You see my family, we are well
My
put
phone went dead, however, I
together
wanted
on
to
this
elaborate more.
photo.
Are you
This
done
is also
with
our
all the
back-
goals
our
that you have
backdrop.
set aside for your life?
And I
Have
never
you
got a chance
achieved
to
them?
really-
Have you accomplished them? What is it more that you need to do? Don't just settle because you've done with one thing. Move on to the next, and don't let no one dictate on how your life should be. Show them,
I
you
hope
know,
you
I'm
guys
not done
enjoyed
yet.
this video. It is almost 8 o'clock. Stay tuned for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe,
Mom, we don't have to go.
and turn that notification bell on, you guys. Stay tuned for another one. Bye.